I think he hopped over here. Come see over here. Come on, wait. Here he comes.
Where is he?
Did that bunny hop down your trail?
Oh,
Look at all the stuff.
look at it. Is your Ninja Turtle protecting your basket?
Where's the other Ninja Turtles? I see him. He put me the other red one. He put me the orange one.
Yay! What's in there?
I don't open it. I like my Ninja Turtle.
What else is in there? Take the paper off. What else you got? What's that?
Wow, I got done.
A gun? And it shoots darts.
Yeah.
Yeah, how about that? What else you got? Ooh, what's that? A new cup?
You can put snacks in the bottom. That's a cool cup.
No.
You want some juice in your new cup? You thirsty?
Interesting.
Okay.
I'm hungry.